Today I'll be reviewing for you guys the Mcdodo transparent magnetic wireless charger, and we have a transparent magnetic wireless car charger with a mount. So as soon as you unbox, you can see that you have your chargers here and they're transparent, and to me it looks very nice and innovative. So they really well thought this out. And here we have the other one that is also transparent and looks very nice. So the transparent housing makes circuit components clearly visible, and the magnetic mechanism that we have is designed of aligned magnets to make wireless charging more effective and more efficient. For our Mcdodo Prism transparent chargers, you can see that inside the box we have the user manuals. For this one we also have 2 user manuals, and then we have the car mount. We have a pretty long cable here. I have seen quite a few MagSafe chargers, but I haven't seen or come across something like this. I mean, just look at it. They're very innovative and they're thinking outside of the box. We have a very nice tempered glass up top that is reflective and looks very nice. You can also see all the component inside, and it also is MagSafe. So it is very good for your iPhones. You can use this charger with your iPhone 14, 13 and 12 models. I am really in love with the 2-in-1 design that we have. This MagSafe car mount can be used as a car phone holder mount and wireless charging at the same time. And you also have fast charging output of 15 watts. So in order for you to set this up with a mount, we have the back screw over here. You want to go ahead and unscrew that. On the back here, you can see that we also have the air vent system right here that make sure that the charger and your phone stays nice and cool. Go ahead and take your mount over here, slide this over and push that in, and you want to go ahead and screw this back in. Make sure that is nice and tight and secured. Okay, and we also have a triangle mount right over here that you can adjust. So it is very nice because we have a nice clip that goes into your vent, and we have a triangle mount over here that sits right below the air vent. And this is to make sure that whenever you're going over a bumpy road, to keep this more stable and from your phone not to fall off or for your phone not to shake. The newest design transparent magnetic wireless car charger comes with strong magnets and non-slip silicone for easy navigation and driving, with LED indicators to blend with your car lights. I also love the fact that it is adjustable, and you can see that you can change it from your portrait to landscape mode, and you can also tilt back and tilt forward about 60 degrees. Mcdodo also is providing a 12-month warranty on this product. Now you can see that we have our charger plugged in to the wall outlet, and we have the LED lights that are blinking. That pretty much is there to let you know that a device is being charged right now. And you can also see that I have my phone that is currently being charged. And one thing that I noticed is how strong the suction is and the magnetic power is. So if I just keep shaking like this, you can see that it's not falling. So you don't have to worry about, going over some bumps in your car and your phone falling off this, charger, because it's very strong. So in order for us to install this mount with the charger on the car vent, all you need to do is make sure that you have the back of this attached. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the clip here, and I'm gonna put it on the second to last one, and I'm gonna have my mount that is on the bottom sitting right underneath my vent. So that way, when you put your phone on top of this, it is actually not going to bring the whole thing down. And this mount that we have at the bottom works as a balance, right? So it will keep the mount in one place. So if I put my phone on here right now, you can see that it stays nice and stable. And if I were to just go ahead and take it off, it doesn't move. Do it a couple times. Very strong suction. Pull it out. Very nice and easy. I'm not sure if many but all people have this same opinion about this thing. So when you mount something onto your AC vent, you don't want to have the charger take up the entire space of the AC vent. So that way, during the hot months or when it's cold outside, you're using the air conditioning or you are using the heater, you don't want to block your vent, right? So I really love the fact that I can mount this all the way, to the bottom, to the right side, to make sure that my air vent is not completely blocked by this charger. So I think the size is perfect, and the way it sits onto my AC vent is really, really nice. And here we have the MagSafe wireless charging pad, and this is also transparent. This is the back of the charger, and this is the front of the charger. And just looking at it, being able to see all the internals, just looks very, very nice and cool. And we have the nice silicone going all the way around to make sure that your phone is not slipping or sliding. This charging pad is also compatible for your iPhone 12 series, 13 series, and the 14 series. So let's talk about this advanced transparent design. The double-sided transparent tempered glass design clearly shows the internal structure. The shell is made of high-quality aluminum alloy with corrosion resistant, wear resistant, and fast heat dissipation. This is also a 15-watt fast charger. This charger is very portable and durable. With LED atmosphere lamp, wireless charging pad can convert strong frequency to weak frequency. Control the charging state of the equipment in real time. The wireless charging pad is easier to carry in your pocket or when you travel to work. The wireless charging pad chips ensure consistent stable performance, radiation shielding, faster output, and better cooling system. Double protection, double security for you, and Mcdodo has a 12-month warranty on this charger as well. So if you're in the market looking for a transparent charging kit for your car or for your office or your home use, then I definitely recommend that you check out the Mcdodo Prism charging kit. Thank you for watching this review.